Hello, my name's Peter Ayres. I'm the Dahua Business Development Manager for the UK. Today we're at Bett 2025, showcasing our latest technology and market trends. What we're showcasing today at the Bett 2025 event is our portable LED display. It's 135 inches, it comes as an all-in-one and has a 1.5 pixel pitch. What's really unique about this is it's been designed to help support different schools, colleges, campuses in being portable. It becomes fully integrated with a hydraulic stand, and what's really good about this is it can be set up from a flight case within under 15 minutes. It's really simple to use and operate. For example, the LED has fold-away doors at the sides which lock into place, making the unit nice and secure. We're seeing emerging technologies come into the school environment, most notably school receptions, auditoriums, lecture halls, lecture theatres, and also digital signage in general. One of the ways Dahua can support education with this digital signage explosion is we have bespoke LEDs. There are two different types of LEDs. Behind me is your traditional surface mount diode, SMDs. We have an array of different pixel pitches. The ones on display at the moment are our 1.95 and our 2.5. However, we do have other variations. These LED displays can come in any bespoke sizing. You could have a standard HD wall, or you could have ultra 4K. Whatever you need, we can support this. The lifespan has been designed to last for 100,000 hours. That is 11 3/4 years. Our commitment to the education sector runs extremely deep. We have an array of different size interactive flat panels at your disposal. These will run on Android. They also can facilitate an OPS drive for networking capabilities. Really simple to use, IR curtain, 20 points of touch. You can also use your finger to interact. Behind me is our latest LED offering. This differs from surface mount diodes. This is COB, chip on board. COB has been designed to be more economically friendly to any given environment, including schools and education. What this does is a mixture of different new and emerging LED technology. However, it uses less power and electricity, therefore the total cost of ownership is significantly reduced. Again, we also have varying different sizes for the pixel pitch. As we are demonstrating here, we have a 0.9, a 1.2 and a 1.5 on display here. And again, we do have more sizes available. What's also important to note is it's not just indoor LED that we can supply. We can actually supply outdoor LED with various different IP ratings. We can also supply rental equipment, and we can also supply sports arenas as well. This is Dahua's Explorer. This has been designed to be used in school environments for things such as breakaway classrooms, reception areas, and all sorts of different verticals. It's built on an Android platform and has been fully designed to be remote and portable. It's also been designed to support any size of the user. For example, this screen comes fully with the stand when you purchase it. You can adjust the height quite seamlessly. You can also traverse the screen as well. We've also done some really clever engineering with this screen. For example, at the moment, as you can see, it's in landscape, but by a quick flip, it automatically goes into portrait, and you can just simply move the camera because it's controlled by a magnetic connection. What's also unique about this is that built in this stand is a 4-hour battery that will give you life when it needs to be portability. The design effect teachers explained to us they like to use this is a side of classroom piece of apparatus to help them with their interactive learning with the pupils. Dahua are also proud to present our monitor range. At the moment we are showcasing our gaming monitors. However, we don't exclusively do gaming monitors. We also have a range of different monitors suitable for any given environment, whether that's in the office or the classroom or any application that you would generally use. Thank you very much for coming on our journey with us today at Bett 2025. If you'd like more information about any of these products or any of the products you've seen, please contact the link below. We're more than happy to have a conversation with you and help you on your Dahua journey as well.